video, we will introduce our Ulanzi smartphone vlog kit. So, let's see what's inside. So, syempre, meron na siyang case. So, we have here mini tripod, Ulanzi LED light, microphone, wheel foam, bracket, smartphone holder, USB cable ng light for charging, microphone holder, microphone jack, and also meron siyang kasamang pouch. Okay, so let's assemble the Ulanzi smartphone vlog kit. So first, tripod. Okay. And holder na phone. So, meron po siyang adjustment sa holder ng phone kung gaano po alaki yung phone po ninyo, yung cellphone. Like this. Ang kinagadahan po dito sa holder na to, hindi siya yung may stretch. Meron siyang adjustment. I-scroll nyo lang po siya. And then, meron siyang bracket. This bracket po is used for kung gusto mo maglagay ng microphone or ng light. Chargeable na po yung light niya with the USB cable. Just put it here. Next is microphone. And then holder. So attach nyo lang po yung holder sa microphone. It's like this. And we put it here. Yan. So, make sure lang po na nakalock din po siya maigi. Yan. So, we have two types of jack. Isang pang camera, isang pang phone. So, ang gagamitin po natin is yung pang phone. Yan. And then this one. Okay. So, kung nag-shoot na po kayo, just open lang po the light. Then, may adjustment din po siya kung gaano kalakas yung gusto nyong light. Yan. Okay. Microphone is just plug and play lang. So, ready to recording na po siya. So, this is how to set up the Ulanzi smartphone vlog kit.